Abracadabra.
This is anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us. Beehive Militia crew. You've been targeted by Anonymous. If you do not stop leaking one of our anonymous information to the PSN servers, you will be targeted by us. This is Anonymous. We do not forgive. Do not forget. Expect us. You've been targeted by us. We do not like people who do this to our anons. We will take you down by one by one by one. We will not allow this to happen. You will be taken down. If we have to, send a couple of anons to your crew. We will take it down from the inside. You will be targeted by us. We won't allow this. You will listen to us. You will listen to Germ. You will not fuck with him anymore. You're not allowing this to happen anymore. You've been warned. You do not stop this. We will take you down. Stop this right instant. Or we will take you down. This is Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.